pictures from Bar Harbor right here, showing that part of the state, Keith, you were telling us that still has some cloud cover today.
Yeah, a little socked in that spot. But, you know, everybody's going to get into the sun by later this afternoon, and then from there, so a lot of people showing up for the weekend about now or so. They tell you not to travel on Friday. They avoid the traffic. Don't travel on Friday. Well, you miss an entire day if you do that. So this is kind of what we're looking at. Clouds into Bar Harbor, Bangor, and some showers there as well into the Bangor area. Would love to hear from you as to what the intensity is of these. They look very, very light, like sprinkles coming through Greenville, same deal. But, you know, it's been a different 2 days over northern Maine. It's been cloudy, it's been showery, it's been a lot cooler as opposed to western Maine and southwestern parts of the state, which have been warmer. In fact, we're in the low 60s away from the coast here, 60 flat in Portland. And then look at this big drop off when you get north of Orono, as it's been cloudy and showery there, only in the upper 40s. We all try to get on the same page here later this afternoon. I have to think that this model is maybe a little too aggressive for temperatures in a place like Caribou, sitting in the 40s right now. I don't know that we're going to jump almost 20 degrees this afternoon, but we will be able to clear out, and everybody gets into the low 60s, at least over southern Maine, mid 60s farther inland, and we're clear overnight tonight. Temperatures drop down to about 45 in most spots, just a little bit cooler into the mountains, and then we're just off to the races for the weekend. Tomorrow looks good, no change there. About 75 is going to be a really popular number by tomorrow afternoon. As you can see, pretty much wall-to-wall sunshine as well, and no difference between the coast and inland, and that's key tomorrow. There won't be any significant sea breeze activity. We're pretty mild tomorrow night. This is about midnight. We're still around 60 in a lot of spots. That gives us an easy platform to get into the 80s on Sunday. This model is going really aggressive for Portland. You can see 87 degrees. I'm not sure about that. I do think the latest models have looked a little bit warmer along the coast. So I think 80 is in play along the coast now, even if we sea breeze late in the afternoon. Inland, mid 80s. Again, you can see this model's going for upper 80s. Certainly it's possible if we can get enough sun consistently and fight off a sea breeze. Bottom line, it's going to be warm to almost hot here on Sunday. And then here comes our backdoor cold front Sunday night. Good timing on this. Comes through overnight, probably doesn't even have a shower with it, just some clouds, wind shift, and then we cool down for Memorial Day itself. So high pressure in control, all these systems around us, to the south of us, to the east of us, no problems. That backdoor cold front does sink through Sunday night, and that keeps us cooler for Memorial Day. So again, you know, there's some upside here to these mid 80s. You can see a couple of upper 80s in Augusta. We've gone up to 81 in Portland because I think we've got a longer stretch of warm weather before the sea breeze comes through. So nice all around. Just a reminder about this. Definitely a beach day Sunday. Ocean temperatures 51. You go up to down East Maine, 46. And I probably won't need to tell you that as soon as you put your foot in there, but just be aware of how chilly the ocean still is, even by Maine standards. And then we're just cruising after that. I don't see a whole lot going on through next week other than we build heat inland into the mid 80s. Probably 70s along the coast Wednesday, but maybe even 80s along the coast on Thursday. So maybe the first time you think about a fan at least. If not, if you've got a window AC, you might be interested in it Sunday afternoon.
All right, we'll start feeling those temperatures. Keith, thanks.